Today is a bittersweet day. This car has been part of so many memories, road trips, late-night drives, and amazing moments. It's hard to say goodbye, but every journey has a new chapter. Thank you for all the memories. Farewell. And so, we begin a new chapter in Team Prosecutor. Stay tuned and enjoy.